Good morning, everybody. Thank you very much for joining us today. I would like to speak with you a little bit about video conferences, video as a sales tool. I believe that we all understand why it's important to transfer at least part of our interactions with our customers and to taking into the virtual space with video conferences and video calls. Today with the traffic, well, it's redundant to say that it takes years to drive from one point to another. Video conferences takes less time. They're more efficient. But what about the personal touch? We salesmen, we need to feel the other person. We need to create an impact through one-on-one interaction. So how we can enjoy the both worlds, how we can enjoy the power of a video conference together with our ability to create a personal influence on the other person or the other group. So I prepared for you 7 simple rules that if you keep it, I'm sure that you'll be able to maximize the potential of the video conference or the video tool. Number 1, prepare the meetings. Ask yourself, who are the participants? What I want to achieve? What might be their objections or obstacles that I might meet along the meeting? And prepare answers. Because sometimes during a video meeting, it's much more complicated to come with a creative answer. Want to be prepared. Number 2, remember to prepare the meeting space. Because people would see you, they will see the area, your office or the room. Prepare your appearance according to the image that you want to create on the other person. Number 3, make sure, like in real-life meetings, that you're always starting with something personal. And if it's a multi-participants meeting, it is very important to create personal connection with each and every one of them, like in real life. Number 4, at the beginning of the meeting, agree with the other participants about the time frame and the meeting targets. Because people usually, they prefer that video meetings would be more focused, shorter, and right to the point. So make sure that you have the same agenda, that you share the same targets from your sales meeting or from your business meetings. Number 5, when you're talking, talk to the camera. Don't look at the audience because they don't see it. They look at the screen, and if you look at the camera, they will feel that you look at their eyes. It is very simple and very important. Number 6, smile and break the ice if needed. It is very important for us that people will feel comfortable to meet us online. So when we dedicate a few minutes in the beginning of the meeting, along the meeting, to break the ice, to laugh a little bit, to chit-chat, even though it's not so natural in the beginning, people like it, and they feel comfortable and nice in this video conference, in the video meeting. Number 7 is about real-life meetings. In many cases, it happens that you start the interaction in a video call, in a video meeting, and then you meet the people later on in real life. Dedicate time in your non-virtual meeting to deep a little bit the personal connection and the chemistry between you and the other person. It will be much easier to communicate later, whether it's an email, over the phone, and with future video meetings. I would like to summarize with a short personal story. Just a few days ago, I came back from Bucharest, Romania, from an international convention of a global company. I had the privilege to prepare the leaders of the conference for weeks before. All the preparation was made through video calls and video conferences. And it was amazing to meet the people later on in real life for the first time, sharing together great results of the work that we've done together for months only over video calls and video conferences. So I really recommend to you to maximize the potential of this great tool. It will save you time, it will save you energy, it will make Earth cleaner and healthier, and it could bring you great business results. Thank you so much.